In front of me is POCO C71 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then hit Open under Google. Select Google Password Manager and click on a password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!